Hey guys, this is Brendan from LemTask. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use Sunsama properly, not just by clicking around, but actually using it the way it's designed to be used for daily planning. We'll look at how daily planning works, how Sunsama pulls tasks from other tools, how to plan a full day realistically, and how everything comes together in a final schedule. Before touching anything, it's important to understand Sunsama's core idea. Sunsama isn't a traditional task manager, it's a daily planning tool. You're not dumping hundreds of tasks in here and just letting them sit. You're making intentional decisions every single day about what will work and what will not work on your day. So each morning, Sunsama encourages you to plan deliberately. See the daily planning there. It will actually ask you, what am I working on? How long will it take? And does this fit into the time that I actually have? That's what this is here. This is where Shinsama works really well for people who want structure around their day, not just a long to-do list. Now, let's look at how Shinsama pulls tasks from other tools. I've opened up my Gmail for synchronization. So all I really have to do is scroll through my emails, select one, and drag it into today. Sunsama also connects with Trello, Asana, ClickUp, Todoist, GitHub, calendar apps. So instead of recreating tasks, Sunsama acts like a planning layer on top of your existing tools. When a task comes in, they don't automatically clutter your day. You still decide which one deserves your time today. This step alone filters out a lot of noise. Just because a task exists doesn't mean it belongs in today's schedule. This is where Sunsama really shows its philosophy. I can drag my tasks into today, quickly review my day, and I can see here that my day looks quite full. This is an indication of how much work the system thinks I still have in the day in me. So in order to free up a bit of space, I can take a task and drag it into tomorrow. I can select another one, and my available time for today increases. So for each task, Sunsama asks you to estimate how long it will take. This sounds simple, but it's powerful. Most people overcommit because they never think in time blocks. So as I add tasks, I notice that Sunsama keeps track of my total planned hours. If I exceed a realistic workday, the app will actually warn me. So this forces a trade-off. Either I move tasks or accept that something won't get done. This step alone teaches better planning habits. Once everything is planned, Sunsama gives a clean visual schedule. I do that by selecting today, and here's all my tasks, and a nice time block. So you can clearly see what you're working on, when you're working on it, and how full your day actually is. This isn't about being busy. It's about being honest with your time. For people who struggle with overplanning or context switching, This structure can be very grounding. For context, this is how we do this in LemTask, which is the tool we use ourselves. In LemTask, the focus is slightly different. We prioritize clear ownership, fewer decisions, and fast execution without heavy build-up. You don't need to rebuild or plan your day every single morning. Your structure stays stable and you work from it. This one works better for people who want less friction and less daily planning overhead. Sunsama is a solid tool if you like planning every day intentionally and thinking in time blocks. But if you want to see this approach in full without the daily planning friction, LemTask is linked below.